Good morning to you. In this video, we are going to study some of the properties of organometallic compounds. What are organometallic compounds? We have studied in brief. Let us study the nature of bond. And this CM or organometallic compound. Now, in case of organometallic compounds, carbon is bonded to metal. This is the definition. We have summarized in brief. We have narrated that organic compounds containing carbon metal bond, they are called as the organometallic compounds. Here MM is equal to sodium, lithium, zinc, lead, even mercury, etc. Out of these organometallic compounds of sodium are very reactive. Organometallic compounds of what we say lithium and magnesium, they are moderately reactive. Organometallic compounds of sodium and some of the other metals are very much reactive, therefore they are not stable in air. They are not stable in air. So here when we study this carbon metal bond, this carbon metal bond is basically covalent in nature. This is covalent nature. Covalent means it is formed by sharing of electron pair between carbon and lithium, carbon and magnesium or metal bond. Okay, this carbon magnesium bond, it is covalent in nature. Basically, it is covalent in nature, but this carbon atom is more electronegative as compared to magnesium. This carbon atom is more electronegative as compared to magnesium atom. Therefore, it will withdraw or it will attract this electron pair towards itself. Therefore, this carbon atom will have delta positive charge, delta negative charge. This carbon atom will have delta negative charge and this magnesium atom will have delta positive. Okay, in this way, in case of this Grignard reagents, you may see this R group, it will have delta negative charge, magnesium it will have delta positive charge. Now it will be simple to understand the reactions, how reactions are going on, how reactions occur in case of this. Now these organometallic compounds, they show two types of reaction. Organometallic compounds, they show two types of reaction. One type of reaction is called as nucleophilic substitution. And other is nucleophilic addition. Now we have seen that this alkyl group from organomagnesium compounds, it is having delta negative charge. That is, this alkyl group is electron rich. Therefore, it could attack on the atoms where there is electron, or it will attack on the electron deficient centers. Therefore, it acts as a nucleophile. Therefore, it acts as a nucleophile. Now, let us see the reactions. Now, first we will see nucleophilic substitution type of reaction. Suppose this. Now, here reaction with compounds containing active hydrogen atoms. Where active hydrogen atom is here. A hydrogen atom which is attached to oxygen, sulfur, nitrogen, it is called as active hydrogen atom. For example, H2O, here H2S, this hydrogen atom is attached sulfur. Here amines, NH2, hydrogen atom is attached to nitrogen. Okay, how these organomagnesium halides they react with compounds containing active hydrogen atom like water. Here one more example we will put alcohol and water, sulfur and nitrogen. Now how does it react? You will see. Now I have seen organomagnesium compounds. Alkyl group is having delta negative charge. Magnesium is delta positive charge. Plus, let us see the example of water molecule. In water molecule, oxygen atom is more electronegative as compared to hydrogen. Therefore, it will pull electron pair towards itself. It will have delta negative charge, so it will have delta positive charge. So, organomagnesium compounds, when they are reacted with active compounds containing active hydrogen atom, it leads to formation of hydrocarbon RH. Delta negative, delta positive. The remaining is MgXOH. MgXOH. Hydrocarbon or alkane. So in this way, we can say that organomagnesium halides they react with active compounds containing active hydrogen atoms like water, ethanol or amines to give alkane. Now let us see the example. Methyl magnesium bromide. Here it will be delta negative, delta positive. Plus water. You have to remember polarity. Delta negative, delta positive. Here CH4, that is methane, and remaining is MgBrOH. So in this way, methyl magnesium bromide on reaction with water molecule forms methane. There is evolution of methane gas. CH4. Upward arrow. Now let us take another example. What happens with, similarly it will react with alcohols. In case of alcohol, this is ROH. We write RO and H in this question. Alcohol In case of alcohol, this oxygen atom is more negative as compared to hydrogen atom. It will therefore it will have delta negative charge. This will have delta positive charge. Therefore, this alkyl group will react with hydrogen atom giving alkane, and remaining is MgX plus OR. In this way, methyl magnesium halide on reaction with alcohol gives corresponding alkane and side product is formed. Let us take one more example. You have to remember polarity always. Now let us see the reaction with amines. Amines we have written in this fashion. In case of amines, this nitrogen atom is more electronegative, therefore it will have delta negative charge. This will have delta positive charge. So in this way, alkyl magnesium halide on reaction with amine, it will give again corresponding alkane plus what is remaining? MgX NHR side product. Thus in this all these reactions, these are the substitution reactions. Substitution means nucleophile, it replaces, this group is replaced by the R group. Now another example, reaction with alkenes. Or formation of alkenes. Now this ReMgX it reacts with unsaturated halides. Unsaturated halide we take here aryl bromide. Here again polarity, this will have delta negative charge, this will have delta positive charge. Delta negative, delta positive. So this will get combined here. Higher alkene is formed here. Here it is 1, 2, 3, 4. It is butene. And since double bond is between 1 and 2, so therefore 1 butene. So in this way, alkyl magnesium halide it reacts with what we say unsaturated halides, so as to form corresponding higher alkene. Higher alkene is formed here. MgX and it is. And what is the remaining? Pr. So you may take here CH2. CH2, CH2 double bond is 1 butene is formed. Methyl magnesium halide reaction with aryl bromide. This is called as aryl bromide. It is also called as bromopropene. This is bromopropene. 1 bromopropene. reaction is with alkynes. Formation of alkynes. How alkynes they are formed? Now this RNGX. Always remember the polarity delta negative, delta positive. Plus it reacts with terminal alkynes. This will have delta negative charge. This carbon atom again delta negative charge. This will be delta positive charge. So it is alkyl with